See, this is chemistry part, first period of chemistry, but it is the continuation of what I had begun in the class already. That is chemical thermodynamics and energetics. Students, energetics part काढलाय, कळलं? That has been removed and that has been introduced. This is there even in the physics also. केमिकल थर्मोडायनामिक्स तेवढं शिल्लक ठेवलं आणि एनर्जेटिक्स काढलं, म्हणजे तुम्हाला थोडक्यात हा थर्ड टॉपिक कमी केला. सो बी हॅपी. हां, थोडं रिव्हिजन करूया अँड देन वी विल कंटिन्यू. आय एम कंटिन्यू विथ दॅट लास्ट पार्ट. थोडं माझी रिक्वेस्ट आहे तुम्हाला, ते जेवढे नोट्स मिळालेले आहेत ते दिलेले मी लिहून तुम्हाला, ते थोडे वाचून घ्या. आय रिक्वेस्ट फॉर दॅट. हां स्टुडंट, थोडंसं रिव्हिजन आणि मग आपण जाऊया. फॉर्म्युला फॉर वर्क डन वॉज मायनस पी एक्सटर्नल डेल्टा व्ही, असा डायग्राम काढलेला. हे थोडंसं रिव्हिजन आहे. ओके. हां, दिस वॉज द एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर. External pressure, which is the pressure of the atmosphere, which keeps constant. We have enclosed a gas of initial volume V1 at temperature T, due to which the gas undergoes expansion from volume V1 to volume V2. The increase in the volume. In this process, work is done by the system on the surroundings. Therefore, negative sign. तुम्हाला ते डायग्राम पण मी दिलेला क्लासमध्ये की when the work is done on the system plus W by the system minus W, heat energy supplied to the system plus Q by the system minus Q. कळतं है? If heat is energy is supplied to the system plus Q, heat is energy is supplied by the system, it is minus Q. So work done is what? Minus P external delta V. Work done is minus का बरं? कारण पिस्टन लावलाय, कंटेनर आहे, लीड बसवलंय. Initial volume was V1, temperature T1, external pressure is constant and the gas is undergoing expansion. So this formula is applied when the external pressure or the external pressure is kept constant, and that can be considered as the atmospheric pressure. That's it. And here sign conventions. Plus when the heat energy or the work done is heat energy or work is done on the system, minus when heat energy or work is done by the system. तेवढं हे एवढं रिव्हिजन. ठीक आहे. नाव वी विल स्टार्ट विथ इवन दिस आय टॉट इन द क्लास. पण तुम्हाला लिंक मिळणार नाही म्हणून मी परत रिवाइज करून देते आणि परत शिकवते. रिवाइज नाही, परत शिकवते स्टुडंट्स. अँड व्हॉट इज दॅट पार्ट? फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स. अँड हाऊ इज द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स अप्लाइड टू वेरियस प्रोसेसेस? व्हेरी इझी. ओके, कॉन्सन्ट्रेट. बिफोर गोइंग टू फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स, I'll give you an idea about something called as internal energy. इंटरनल एनर्जी हे बँक बॅलन्स सारखं आहे. कळलं? म्हणजे समजा जर तुम्ही जर कॅश डिपॉझिट केली तर तुमचं बँक बॅलन्स वाढतो. समजा इफ यू विड्रॉल द कॅश, इफ यू आर इन नीड ऑफ मनी ॲज आता सध्या, तर तुम्ही कॅश विड्रॉल करता तेव्हा तुमचं बँक बॅलन्स कमी होतो. लाईक दॅट सेम प्रोसेस इथं. सिस्टम may be a substance, may be a solid, liquid, gas, universe, anything has its own energy. म्हणजे जसं प्रत्येक माणसाचं बँक बॅलन्स असतो किंवा प्रत्येक माणसाचे सेविंग्स असतात, तसं एव्हरी सिस्टम हॅज इट्स ओन एनर्जी. एनर्जी हाऊ? कसं काय? ऑटोमॅटिक कसं काय? बिकॉज ऑफ द इंटरॅक्शन बिटवीन द atoms, because of the interaction between the atoms and the molecules, because of the interaction between the atoms and the ions. Every system has its own energy. That energy is called as, denoted by the letter U and called as the internal energy. So every system has its own energy and that energy is called as the internal energy, denoted by the letter U. Students, when the system, if work is done on the system, then the internal energy of the system increases. Heat plus whatever is the work done on the system. कळतं? इंटरनल एनर्जी त्याची स्वतःची ऑलरेडी आहे आणि वर्क केल्यानंतर प्लस त्याच्यावरती इंटरनल एनर्जी डबल होते किंवा एक्सेसिव्ह होते. सिमिलरली व्हेन द सिस्टम डज वर्क ऑन द सराउंडिंग्स, इट इज ॲट द कॉस्ट ऑफ इंटरनल एनर्जी. म्हणजे मुलांना तुम्ही जर पैसे भरले तर तुमचे सेविंग्स वाढले. सेविंग ही इंटरनल एनर्जी आहे. जर तुम्ही पैसे विड्रॉल केले तर तुमचे सेविंग्स या कॉस्ट सेविंग्स कमी होतात. तसा प्रकार आहे तो. कळतंय? दॅट्स इट. Okay, so internal energy is denoted by the letter, alphabetical letter U. Now First law of thermodynamics, which is very easy and simple to understand, which I had already studied in the class. आता ते तिथून कंटिन्यू करायचं म्हणून हा लॉ परत शिकवते तुम्हाला. What is the first law of thermodynamics? Simple. Total energy of the universe remains constant. The total energy of the system and the surroundings is always constant. म्हणजे टोटल घ्यायचं. सिस्टमची एनर्जी कमी झाली तर सराउंडिंगची वाढते, सराउंडिंगची कमी झाली तर सिस्टमची वाढते, लाईक दॅट. And energy, which is your favorite law, energy can neither be created nor it can be destroyed, but can only be converted from one form to another. That is the one more way of expressing the first law. Students, first law of thermodynamics चे 3 definitions च्या फॉर्म मध्ये तुम्ही देऊ शकता, and that is total energy of the universe remains constant, energy of the system and the surroundings is always constant. Third, energy can neither be created nor it can be destroyed. It can only be converted from one form into another form. That's it. That is your first law of thermodynamics, which is written in mathematical form as delta U is equal to Q plus W. Means the increase in the internal energy of the system is equal to the heat energy supplied to the system, heat energy of the system plus the work done on the system by the surroundings. कारण प्लस म्हटलं की surroundings is doing work on the system. I'll repeat. The increase in the internal energy of the system is equal to the addition of heat energy supplied to the system plus the work done on the system by the surroundings. झालं. हा तुमचा लॉ. In mathematical form you can write du is equal to dq plus dw. The increase in the internal energy is also always equal to the heat energy of the system plus the work done on the system by the surroundings. Ends the job. That is the mathematical form. आता we will apply this particular law to different important processes. They are, सबसे पहले isothermal process. What we'll do here? We'll apply the law to the isothermal process. First, school level पासून माहिती आहे isothermal. Iso means same, thermal means temperature. Apply that. Delta U is equal to Q plus W. What is an isothermal process? The process which takes place at constant temperature, or the process where the temperature of the system is kept constant, is called as isothermal process. If the temperature of the system T is kept constant, the internal energy of the system is constant. If the internal energy of the system is constant, the change in the internal energy is 0. म्हणजे from the first law of thermodynamics, Q plus W is equal to 0, or therefore Q is equal to minus W. म्हणजे काय? Heat energy supplied to the system is utilized by the system to do work on the surroundings. किंवा whatever is the work done on the system is lost, असं पण लिहू शकतो ना आपण. W is equal to minus Q. What does it mean? Whatever is the work done on the system is lost by the system in the form of heat energy. That's it. कळतंय? हे फर्स्ट कंडिशन. ह्याला isothermal process म्हणतात. I'll repeat. Isothermal process is a process where the temperature of the system is kept constant. This is the mathematical form. Delta U is equal to Q plus W. If the temperature is kept constant, internal energy is constant. Internal energy is a constant आली तर delta U is equal to 0. Delta U is equal to 0 म्हणजे Q plus W is equal to 0 or Q is equal to minus W, vice versa. Meaning heat energy supplied to the system is utilized by the system to do work on the surroundings, or whatever is the work done on the system is lost in the form of heat energy. That's it. कळतंय? हे झालं isothermal process. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. हा मुलांनो, उद्या जास्त घ्यायला मिळालं तर बघते. Is it okay? आज फर्स्ट डे आहे, थांबूया. डन. चलो, बाय.